Okay guys, so we only have a few hours before the live call for Escribe 2.0. So if you haven't registered, you need to register today. Now, the last couple of days we've been giving away white label apps. Today we're giving a white label app that does all your email marketing. Now again, you'll get the sales page, you'll get the marketing material. So all you need to do is register below for that. If you've already registered though, please don't register again, because you will get that email, and in that email you will see your white label app. So if you haven't seen Escribe 2.0 or heard about it, now is the time to register for the call. On the call, we're going to show you exactly what this does, how it's going to take you from never publishing an ebook to ready to go, fully published ebooks. Now, not only does this app publish ebooks, it creates audiobooks, it creates e-covers, it even has full pages built in here. It has sales pages, so you can create a sales page, you can create a lead page, you can connect your sales page to Stripe, to PayPal, you can connect your lead page to over 21 autoresponders. It has everything that you need in here. It has full CDN for your images. It has a CDN for your PDFs. It even does transactions for emails, sales. You've even got an agency system built in where you can actually rebrand your full account. Okay, so make sure that you get in on this call. Don't miss it. It's happening on the 8th of June, 10 AM Eastern Standard. If you haven't registered already, register, because you will then get your white label app as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the call.